Hi guys, alright, so today we have a new product. That is Bumblebee. And I have to freaking restart a video because my little brother ruined it. Yeah, so today we're gonna play with this toy, which I'm gonna unbox again. This thing's dope, y'all. Alright, so this thing comes with instructions right over here. As you can see, we have instructions. So holy, bro, that will like take me so long to transform, but move that aside. Alright. What the freak is happening? Bro's not actually strong. Bro's weak. I thought you were strong. You pathetic liar. Alright, unlock this. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, so we currently have Bumblebee right here. He's gonna teach me how to sue. Instead, he cracked his balls. And I did not know that Bumblebee is skinny. Bro's a liar. Bro's actually a liar. He's actually skinny. Alright, so guys, today we're gonna turn him into a car, which is gonna be so hard, bro. Alright, okay. So the first step to turn him into a car. There are the steps to transform. Okay, so the first step is to do this. And then the next step is like that. Hold up. Alright guys, so I can't turn him into a car. His Ferrari, I can't turn him into that. What is this? Bro, what is this? I think I messed this up. Hold up. Alright, there we go. Alright. So, I wanna attach the cannon to his arms. So, get your big ass arms over here. You got a job to do. That's to protect your freaking family. And you're not even protecting them. You're just lazy. You lazy. Alright, finally. He's okay. This is today's video. So bye.